In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort folders by size or month in Windows 11. This should be a pretty straightforward process. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, I'm going to open up a file to show you, for example, how to sort by date, by month, or by size. Now we got the file ready. Now all you have to do is go to the top, click on Sort, as you can see, then click on More. Then you can choose by size. And here you can see that the files are sorted by size at a descending order, as you can see. And you can change it by right-clicking on the blank right side, click on Sort By, click Ascending, and you can turn it back to descending again. And that was how to sort by size. Now, if you want to sort by month, just click on Sort, Date Modified. And now all you have to do is to click on the arrow that's located at the right of Date Modified. And if you have files from previous months, you will see an option to sort by month. So that was how to sort files by size or month in Windows 11. This was a quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.